So there was a period in time not that long ago that if you asked me and said, John, I'm looking to go high definition with my FPV. Should I get the SharkBite HD system or should I get the DJI FPV system? And I would have told you absolutely get the DJI system. SharkBite sucks. And I had no intention of ever touching the SharkBite system. But yet, here I am today with a SharkBite drone and the SharkBite video receiver system. So this is the bind and fly Happymodel Crux35. It's a 3.5-inch drone. That leads me into what are we testing today? This is a new camera for SharkBite. This is called the HDzero Nano. There are so many fantastic new cameras out for the HDzero system, and the Crux35 comes with this camera. We're going to be taking a look at this camera today. I'm going to show you the kind of detail that you can expect out of it. All right, enough talking. Let's get this thing in the air so you can see this in action. All right, so I figured what we would do is we would kind of just take a look at various things because this is the HDzero Nano Camera, and I kind of just want to show you guys how good the quality is. So we're just going to do some slow flying right now around this good old American flag. Water's looking good today. So you can see that, yeah, I'm taking a look at these power lines here. It's probably not as good as DJI in terms of being able to see them, but they're there. I can get them into view right here. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna go under here. Slow and slow. We'll go through this. Oh, I just avoided that scraggle there. Now, I'm all the way over here, and check out that video signal quality, guys. Check that out. I'm going to go under this metal thing here, okay? Check that video quality out, and I'm all the way out here. Just a little bit of scratchiness. Now, you might see some dropped frames. But that's just the DVR. It's a known issue. They're still working on that here and there. I'm going to fly right through this damn tree. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. This camera really is brilliant. It is amazing what a difference that a camera makes for the system. Just absolutely amazing. I really think that, yeah, the problem with the SharkBite system, well, some of the problems with the SharkBite system all along have just been the camera. Really have just been the camera.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Yeah, this is just the low and slow flying, so you guys can kind of see the detail. I think we have excellent signal quality for what we're dealing with here. I was able to see and avoid that just fine. Take a look at these power lines. Very easy to see. So the original SharkBite camera was just awful. It really was just awful. But this, guys, honestly, I'm happy to fly like this. No problem. No problem at all. Oh, look, I could see that there are some, yeah, that thing is held. Got through there, no problem. Almost kind of want to turn around here and face this way and kind of go down into the woods here. Oh man, this could end badly. I've not done this before, but we're gonna try it. You and I are trying this together. Now, that's one of the issues with the Byte system is that it doesn't have the greatest penetration right now. And this is only 200 milliwatts. And the system's being given a little bit of a break here because the leaves are off the trees. But, you know, again, look at this. This is pretty damn cool. A little scratch up here and there in the woods here, but I'm able to maneuver left, to the right. Ooh, watch the scraggle. This is cool. This is really, really good, man. The original Runcam, forget it. I wouldn't have been able to deal with that. That is really cool. See, that's perfect. Ooh, very close. All right, let's finish this pack. We'll do a little bit of ripping. Let's do an inverted yaw spin here. Ooh, nice. Do a loop. Come down and around. This is one of my favorite moves to do. I really hope I don't mess it up. Let's go right through the tree. Hell yeah! Oh yeah! That was it. Let's go right through the tree. I love this Crux35. Just an amazing power to weight ratio. Amazing power to weight ratio, guys. All right, we're gonna go for our second flight now. All right, this is gonna be a shorter battery because I'm gonna rip it a little harder. Just so you guys can see what this thing is capable of. Because this is a friggin' awesome quad. Woo! Woo! I love doing those inverted yaw spins with this thing. So clean. Let's do an orbit. Oh man. Love this thing. This is the Crux35 is a great platform, guys. If you're thinking of, if you don't feel like doing a Byte build, Happymodel's got that covered for you. You just buy one of these and it's all set for you. I'm glad I got to do a build with Byte. I was able to learn a lot about how this system worked through doing it. But if you just want to get into it, this is an awesome little quad. It's rare that I'll buy two of any quad, honestly. Ooh, see, yes, I was able to see and avoid that wire. Very simple.
Timer 1 elapsed.
All right, so that's it. I'm gonna bring this in for a landing and let's have a chat. So the takeaway for me is, after flying with this HDzero Nano Camera, I mean, I am really impressed. I'm really impressed from what I first experienced with the original Runcam Orange Nano Camera. This is just an amazing night and day difference. The colors are vibrant, you get some really good detail, and also the Byte 200 milliwatt video transmitter. Honestly, I feel like I understand that the penetration of this is not that great if I were to try to fly in an abandoned building or something like that, but for just general park flying like this, that transmitter is great. It's really not that bad, especially when paired with a decent antenna. I am really impressed with this setup, this build, and where Byte is going. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the review. Please leave a like if you thought this video was useful, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions about HDzero. I do want to say that I am not paid at all by HDzero to promote any of their stuff. All of this is mine, so I'm telling you exactly what I think. Should be no question about that there. I bought the Nano Camera, I bought the video receiver. Like I said, everything here is mine. I'm not on their payroll or anything like that. I just enjoy a good product when I see it, and that's what this was about today. All right, that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, you have a great day. I'm gonna go do some flying, and yeah, it's gonna be HDzero flying. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.